Hello student, in today's class we are going to discuss ratio and proportion part 2. Now there is a disclaimer, the images used in our slide deck are for educational purposes only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owners of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and have any concern or issues, please contact us at sathi@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the same images. Now see the question. Question says that 7 years ago, the ratio of the ages of A and B was 4:5. 8 years hence, the ratio of the ages of A and B will be 9:10. What is the difference between their present age? And this question is asked in SSC CPO exam 2020. So there are four options. First one is 3, second is 6, third one is 2, and fourth one is 4 year. Now you have 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. So question says that 7 years ago, the ratio of the age of A and B is given, which is 4:5. So we can say that we can let the age of A and B as A and B. So we can get through 7 years before the ratio become this. And when we go 8 years hence after at the present age of A and B, we get the ratio this. So we can compare it and we get their present ages of A and B. So the correct answer of this question is first one, which is 3 years. Now see the detailed solution of this question. So the ratio of A and B 7 years ago it is given, which is 4:5. So the ratio of the A and B 8 years hence is given, which is 9:10. So we can say that total difference in time become 8 plus 7, 7 years before and 8 years hence. So it will become 15 years. So we can say that this 5 unit is equals to 15 years. So the difference when we take it, what we get? We get 1 unit equals to 3 years. So the difference between their ages is, their present age is 3 years. So first one is the correct answer of this question. Next one. The sum of three number is 777. The ratio between the first two number is 7:9 and the ratio between the second and third number is 8:7. The second number is, and this question is asked in SSC CPO exam 2018. So there are four options. First one is 252, second is 147, third one is 63 and fourth one is 189. Now you have 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. So the question says that the sum of three number is 777 and the ratio between the first two number is 7:9. So, and the ratio between the second and third number is 8:7. So we can make the ratio between first number, second number and third number because we have the ratio between first and second and third. So we can calculate it. Then we can compare with the 777 and we get the numbers. So the correct answer of this question is fourth one, which is 189. So second number is 189. Now see the detailed solution of this question. So A ratio B is given, which is 7:9. B ratio C is given 3:7. So we can say that A ratio B ratio C becomes 7:9:21. So the second number become, when we add up all these values, ratios, so what we get? 21 plus 9 become 30 plus 7, 37. So total unit of sum of ABC is 37 unit and B having 9 unit. So, and the sum of three numbers is given, which is 777. So we can calculate it 9 unit out of 37 unit because value of the 37 unit is 777. So we can say that 777 into 9 upon 37. So when we simplifying it, we get 189. Fourth one is the correct answer of this question. Next one. The ratio of the present age of A and B is 6:5. 4 years ago, the ratio was 5:4. What will be the ratio of ages of A and B after 12 years from now? And this question is asked in SSC CHSL exam 2019. So there are four options. First one is 3:2. Second is 8:7. Third one is 9:8. And fourth one is 7:6. Now you have 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. So the question says that the ratio of the present age of A and B is 6:5. 4 years ago, the ratio was 5:4. It means if we let A and B's age is 6x upon 5x, and when we subtract 4 from both the ages, we get the ratio 5:4. Now the question is, what will be the ratio of the age of A and B after 12 years from now? So we can calculate it. First we calculate the present age of A and B, then we can calculate the other after 12 years. So the correct answer of this question is third one, which is 9:8. Now see the detailed solution of this question. So let the age of A and B is 6k and 5k respectively. So according to question, we can say that 6k minus 4 upon 5k minus 4 equals to 5:4. Now we can cross multiplying it. And we get 24k minus 16 equals to 25k minus 20. So we get the value of k, which is 4. So the required ratio will become 6 into 4 plus 12, ratio 5 into 4 plus 12, because we need to ratio after 12 years. So we get it. So we get the ratio, which becomes 9:8. So third one is the correct answer of this question. Next one. Sum of rupees 8,200 was divided among A, B, and C in such a way that A had 500 rupees more than B and C. B and C had 300 rupees more than A. How much was C's alone share? And this question is asked in CPO 2020 exam. So there are four options. A is 2000 rupees, second is 2300 rupees, third one is 3100 rupees, fourth one is 2800 rupees. Now you have 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. So the question says that a sum of rupees 8,200 was divided among A, B, and C such that A had 500 more than B and C had 300 rupees more than A. So we make the relation between A, B, and C, then we can calculate the share of C. So the correct answer of this question is third, which is 3,100 rupees. Now see the detailed solution of this question. So let the share of A is X rupees. So we can say that the share of B is X minus 500 rupees. So share of C become X plus 300 rupees according to question. So when we add up all three, A plus B plus C, it should be equals to 8,200. So when we add up, we get 3x minus 200. So which is equals to 8,200. So when we compare it, we get 3x equals to 8,400. So we get x equals to 2,800 rupees. Now we need to calculate the share of C. So the share of C become 2,800 plus 300. So it is equals to 3,100 rupees. So third one is the correct answer of this question. What is the sum of mean proportional between 10.8 and 4.8? What is the third proportional of 2 and 4? And this question is asked in the SSC CPO 2018 exam. So there are four options. First one is 10.2, second is 11.2, third is 8.2, and fourth is 15.2. Now you have 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. So the question is, what is the sum of mean proportional between 10.8 and 4.8 and third proportion of 2 and 4. So we can calculate it by using the formula. So the correct answer of this question is fourth one, which is 15.2. Now see the detailed solution of this question. So the mean proportion is under root AB. So it will become under root 10.8 into 4.8, which is equals to, when we simplifying it, we get 7.2. Same way we can calculate the third proportion, which is V square upon A. So we can say that 4 into 4 by 2, which is equals to 8. Now we need to calculate the sum. So the sum will become 7.2 plus 8, which is equals to 15.2. So fourth one is the correct answer of this question. Next one. What is the ratio between the fourth proportional of 3, 4, 9 and mean proportional between 2 and 98? And this question is asked in SSC CHSL exam in 2019. So there are four options. First one is 7 ratio 8, 7 is 7 ratio 6, third one is 8 ratio 7, and fourth is 6 ratio 7. Now you have 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. So question says that what is the ratio between the fourth proportional of 3, 4, 9? So we use the formula of fourth proportion and we get the value. And also we can calculate the mean proportion between 2 and 98. And then make the ratio between them. So the correct answer of this question is fourth one, which is 6 ratio 7. Now see the detailed solution of this question. So fourth proportional of 3, 4, 9 become 9 into 4 upon 3, which is equals to 12. So the mean proportional between 2 and 98 will become under root 2 into 98. What we get? We get 14. So the required ratio will become 12 ratio 14. When we simplifying it, what we get? We get 6 ratio 7. So fourth one is the correct answer of this question. Next one. The ratio of present age of A and B is 8 ratio 9. After 9 years, the ratio will become 19 ratio 21. C is 3 years younger to B. What is the present age of C? And this question is asked in SSC CGL exam 2019. So there are four options. First one is 49, second is 48, third is 51, fourth one is 52. Now you have 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. So the question says that the ratio of the present age of A and B is given, which is 8 ratio 9. After 9 years, the ratio become 19 ratio 21. C is 3 years younger to B. What is the present age of C? So we can calculate it. So the correct answer of this question is third one, which is 51 year. Now see the detailed solution of this question. So let the present age of A and B is 8x and 9x. So the current age of C we get 9x minus 3. So the according to question we can say that 8x plus 9 upon 9x plus 9, which is equals to 19 upon 21. So when we make the equation, we get 168x plus 189, which is equals to 171x plus 171. Now when we simplifying it, we get 3x equals to 18. So we can get x equals to 6. So the current age of C, it will become 9 into 6 minus 3, which is equals to 51 year. So third one is the correct answer of this question. Next one. If P is the third proportional to 3 and 9, then what is the fourth proportional to 6, P, 4 and question mark? So question mark is we need to calculate value of P. And this question is asked in SSC CGL exam 2021. So there are four options of this question. First one is 3 by 2. Second is 2 root 3. Third is 10. Fourth is 18. Now you have 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. So question says that if P is the third proportional to 3 and 9. Then what is the 4 proportional to? 6, P and 4. So first we calculate the value of P, then we can calculate the fourth proportion. So the correct answer of this question is fourth one, which is 18. Now see the detailed solution of this question. So the third proportion P become 9 into 9 upon 3, which is equals to 27 by using the formula. So when we calculate fourth proportion, so it will become 9 comma 27 comma 4 comma question mark. So we can say that fourth proportion will become 4 into 27, which is equals to 6 into x. If we let the value of the question mark as x, so when we simplifying it, we get the value of x, which is 18. So fourth is the correct answer of this question. Next one. If x is subtracted from each of 24, 40, 33 and 57, the number obtained are in proportion. The ratio of 5x plus 12 to 4x plus 15 is. And this question is asked in SSC CGL exam 2021. So there are 4 options. First one is 4:3. Second is 14:13. Third option is 7:4. And fourth one is 7:5. Now you have 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. So question says that if x is subtracted from these numbers 24, 40, 33 and 57, the number obtained are in proportion. So first we need to calculate the value of x, then we need to calculate the ratio of 5x plus 12 to 4x plus 15. So the correct answer of this question is second, which is 14:13. Now see the detailed solution of this question. So according to question, we can say that 24 minus x upon 40 minus x equals to 33 minus x upon 57 minus x, because they are in same proportion. So we get 64x minus 2x upon 16 equals to 90 minus 2x upon 24. So we get 192 minus 6x equals to 180 minus 4x. So we get x equals to, when we simplifying it, we get the value of x, which is 6. So just put the value in the given equation. So 5x plus 12 upon 4x plus 15 become, when we putting the value of x equals to 6, so it will become 43 upon 39. 42 upon 14, 42 upon 39. So 42 upon 39, when we simplifying it, what we get? We get 14 upon 13. So second is the correct answer of this question. Next question is 15,000 rupees was invested by A and B together to start a small business. They got a profit of 2,000 rupees at the end of the year. B took his profit share for 600 rupees. How much did A invest? And this question is asked in SSC CPO exam in 2019. So there are 4 options. First one is 9,000 rupees. Second is 2,000 rupees. Third one is 10,500 rupees. Fourth one is 10,000 rupees. Now you have 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution of this question. So 15,000 rupees was invested by A and B together to start a small business. They got a profit of 2,000 rupees at the end of the year. Now the question is, B took his profit share of 600 rupees. How much did A invest? So we know that the profit share is according to their investment. So the correct answer of this question is third one, which is 10,500 rupees. Now see the detailed solution of this question. So the total profit is given, which is 2,000, in which B takes 600 rupees. It means A takes 1,400 rupees. So share of B is 600 rupees. So the share of A will become 2,000 minus 600, which is equals to 1,400 rupees. So we make the ratio of profit in that way, the share of the investment of A and B. So it will become 7:3. So we know that when 7:3 which is equals to 10, so this 10 unit is equals to 15,000. So what will be the value of share of A? So 7 unit value, which is 10,500 rupees. So third one is the correct answer of this question. Next one. Thank you.